I'm Parable, a new YouTuber. They're pretty young for a YouTuber life. I'm got an Xbox, all kinds of stuff I can do. So far, I don't have very good videos, bad stuff. I don't really have a desk either. I'm gonna get a desk lately. I can do action figure reviews, YouTube, video games, stuff like that, blah, blah. Action figure reviews too. I got just for shows, documents and stuff like that. I can do all that stuff. But for right now, low explanation. I have video games I can play, and whatever. But I'm pretty young for YouTube. Not lighting problems right there. But as I progress in YouTube, I don't know what's gonna happen. I might get famous, blah blah blah. But whatever. I'm pretty young at this age. Any ideas what to do? Tell me anything. Please tell me because I don't know what to do. I watch YouTubers, I would say. One of the main ones I like to watch is Banjo Canadian, Scott is Minecraft, all those guys. Those are the main two. I don't know how to do mods yet. I'm gonna work on that. I got DS games too. I need to work on a lot of stuff in my games. Like, I need to know how to do mods. Stuff like that. Any ground rules, tell me what you guys think I should do, whatever. Bye. See you next time. Peace out.